How to digest food faster. Quick tips for better gut health. Tired of feeling bloated and sluggish after meals? Discover simple yet effective strategies to supercharge your digestion and reclaim your gut health. Your digestive system is a complex machine that breaks down food into usable energy. It all starts in your mouth and continues through your esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The entire process can take anywhere from 10 hours to 3 days. Let's dive into actionable tips to optimize your digestive process and feel your best. These strategies focus on key elements like stomach acid, fiber intake, and lifestyle adjustments. Stomach acid is crucial for breaking down proteins and absorbing nutrients. If you're experiencing bloating or indigestion, you might not have enough. Consider betaine hydrochloride supplements, adding salt and potassium to your diet, or diluting 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water. Get moving. Physical activity stimulates gut motility, helping food move through your system faster. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise each day to keep things flowing smoothly. Fiber is essential for a healthy gut. Soluble fiber absorbs water, making stool easier to pass, while insoluble fiber adds bulk and keeps things moving. Gradually increase your fiber intake with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Fast food is often loaded with unhealthy fats and low in fiber, which can slow down digestion. Reduce your intake of these foods and opt for healthier, whole food alternatives. Water is vital for preventing constipation and maintaining smooth digestive function. Aim for about 3.7 liters for men and 2.7 liters for women daily, including fluids from food. Quality sleep is linked to better digestion. Poor sleep can exacerbate digestive issues, including bloating and discomfort. Make restful sleep a priority for improved gut health. Stress can wreak havoc on your digestive system, leading to bloating and stomach pain. Incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to alleviate stress and support healthy digestion. Overeating can overload your digestive system and slow down the process. Consider eating smaller, more frequent meals instead of large ones to promote smoother digestion. Chewing your food well is crucial as it starts the digestive process. It breaks food into smaller particles, making it easier for digestive enzymes to work. Mindful eating can also help prevent overeating. Ready to transform your digestive health? Start incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine. From boosting stomach acid to managing stress, small changes can make a big difference.